Hi. Eye contact is very important for human relationships because it helps to build trust. So how do I do that when working remotely and using video tools? There are three scenarios. One, I'm broadcasting. That's what I'm doing here. There's nobody I can look at on the other side. So I will look at the camera so you can get the most out of what you see from me. Scenario two is when I'm having a one-on-one conversation, a video call. There's one person on the other side. Now, in this case, I prefer to look at the person, at the face, and into their eyes, even if that means that we're not looking straight at each other on the screen. So what this will look like is something like this. I will look at your eyes, which are over there, and your face, which is over there. Now, why would I do that and not have this in the camera stare that I'm choosing in broadcast mode? Well, that's because when I look at your face and I can see your eyes and your body language and all your expressions, consciously and unconsciously, I get a lot more information and we're engaging on a whole nother level that psychologically is very important for our relationship. And it actually makes it easier and more comfortable and more relaxed to be together, even over video. The third scenario is when I'm in a workshop and there's a big number of people on the screen, and I have all these little tiles and many eyes and many bodies to look at. And in that case, I will choose when I look at the camera, particularly when I am the presenter, and I will mix that so that it feels right for me and for everybody else, looking at the faces that I see, because I want to gauge everyone's reactions. And I want to know how people are doing and what their expression might be telling me and helping me to lead the session. And if I'm engaging with one participant for a short moment in a brief conversation, then for that conversation, again, I will look at the participant and at the face, no matter where on the screen that face and the person's eyes might be. Because again, then I find it more important to engage in an authentic way and to have this broader communication stream happening between us than just staring at a camera and talking. All right, so in summary, three different scenarios. Broadcasting mode, I can look at the camera as much as I can and want, and that is useful. Then there's the one-on-one mode. There I choose to look at the person's face and their eyes because it links us closer. And the third mode is a mixed mode when we're in a workshop where I choose at the right times to either be in broadcast mode or in one-on-one mode. I hope this will help you for your remote work and working with your team remotely, and enjoying that and being successful all at the same time. Bye.